Begin configuring your feed from the content menu by selecting the Community Events tile. In the next window, you will see a preview where you can see live changes to your feed. On the right, set a custom name for the feed. Next, set a location. Locations can be defined by postal code, city and state, city and country, or latitude and longitude. Click Customize this feed at the bottom to make further customizations. Choose your content view. Available content views are Main Street and Town Square. Choose a style from the preset style buttons or select the custom style button to further customize. Options for customization are preset fonts, colors for text, date and time, background, background accent, intro text, and intro background. There's also an option for a pattern for the background, solid, circles, or dots, and setting the primary and accent colors for that background pattern. Further down the page, you have the option to turn on or off animation. Also choose an intro, style, background, and custom message. Set your delivery method. Available delivery methods are HTML, media RSS, direct URL, JSON, and XML data. Set the duration. The default duration is 10 seconds per event. Click to toggle hiding thumbnails. These are the small images you see in the preview next to the title of the event. Optionally, you can set custom fallback text. This is text that will appear when there are no events available for the location. You also have the option to set sponsored text, upload a logo, and set a logo background color. Click the Create Feed button to create your community events feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.